The all Zanu PF provinces have endorsed President Emerson Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda at Zanu PF 21st National People's Conference in Bulawayo, raising the stakes in the simmering power struggle between Mnangagwa and his ambitious deputy Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda nyumba pana kuchona kuti aiwa nachona kuti aiwa the vice president Constantino Chiwenga aiwa anodona zvakanyaza ndokuva subscriber like what on the bell kuti tipina pana pamwe pamuchinzi with calls for Mnangagwa to extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit. The conference has spotlighted the growing factional tension and the heightened fears of an internal showdown, with speculation mounting about the possibility of a coup attempt. Mnangagwa's bid to cement power until 2030 is intensified concerns within Zanu PF. As the delegates chanted 2030 for Mnangagwa, provincial leaders, including those from Harare and Maidens, openly supported constitutional amendments that would grant Mnangagwa either a third term or an indefinite extension. The corners of support from Mashonaland to Matabeleland emphasizes the party's unity behind Mnangagwa's leadership, effectively sidelining succession discussions that some insiders expected would take center stage. Harare Province Chairman Godwills Musimirembwa led the charge, proclaiming loyalty to Mnangagwa and echoing calls from other provincial to extend his leadership. Though mashpatuna anobuda chitoko panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa vanhu zvangu vakatarisira vachiti aiwa satakuda congress vanhu vachaona pachata transition kuchiona aiwa tikamira nyika yeZimbabwe achita tools down achipa kune his deputy ndoda kuti mutemo unoti aiwa 2 terms dzake dzakukwana aufana kuchimbonosorora panapa vanoshamisika vachiona vanhu vanobva kumashonaland nekuMidwest province vachiuya vachiendosa kuti aramba achirula beyond 2028. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chimira kuma section medu. Subscribe, like, and turn the bell icon.